Locomotives on the main line or the siding can be serviced with water. The coal bunker is on the turntable siding. As locomotives come off the turntable, they stop here to be replenished with coal. The train journey was from Wood, which is the main station, to Stony Shaw station. Beyond the island platform is the Wood signal box. All points and signals for Wood are operated from this box via the 7-lever frame.
This is where everything is controlled from, really. They have to take the instructions from this end, or say this end. You know, we are really right in the middle of the track now because we've extended up to Swanscombe Street. But it's just so that there's only one person controlling things, and you don't get a lot of confusion there. But we're all volunteers. There's one or two people that are paid to come in every now and then. They're engineers. Oh, here we go. I've got to take the token from them. Sorry. I'll just record the time that they left there, and then now they're clear of the station, I can give the signal for the returning train to come back from Stony Shaw. Oh, excuse me. Hello. Hello, yeah, we're all clear this end when you're ready. We'll give them the signal so they can come up.
Wood is placed in preparation for the fires that burn in the boiler, which produces steam that drives the engine. Fires lit and steam raised, the locomotive now has energy to pull the coaches.
We have to have a token with us. This gives me authority and permission to enter onto the single line. If I've got this, there's no other train on this single line for us to have a collision with or on the same one. So I'm the only engine on this line at the moment because I've got that tablet. It's a safety gate.
From the open field, the line enters the woodland towards Stony Shaw. Just into the wood, Chalk Hole 4 is on the right. Stony Shaw has a run-round loop, station building and signal box. A group of 7 train engineering enthusiasts met on a Thursday evening in 1976. Together, they formed a fully functioning railway line. There are many attractions that will keep you and your family entertained and educated all day, and you will want to return time after time.